Hello, today we want to show you our popular model Juki 8700 sewing machine. This is a lock stitch industrial sewing machine that is designed to handle a wide range of sewing applications. This machine comes fully completed with a table, stand on wheels. It also comes with 5 bobbins, 2 packs of needles, some 2 screwdrivers, instruction book, and cover. Now Mick is going to show us how it works. So this is now he is showing you the clearance between the foot and the table. It's about how many millimeters?
16 millimeters.
16 millimeters.
16 millimeters.
So you can put thick material. Smooth, beautiful sewing, very precise stitch. You can change stitch lengths. It comes with a very powerful motor which goes up to 5, which does 5,000 stitches per minute. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you. Thank you for watching.